packing box. Digital induction tester pen. Manual, complete accessories. Open the package. Open the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. Removable and washable cap to prevent arc creeping. AC voltage measurement. Press and hold the metal button, and the pen tip touches the live wire to measure the voltage. Line breakpoint detection. Detect along the line. When the alarm sound stops, it is the breakpoint position. Flashlight lighting. Not afraid to work in the dark. Non-contact sensing. When a nearby voltage is detected, an alarm will sound. Zero fire wire recognition. The green screen is on and there is no alarm sound for the zero line. Light up the red screen and sound the alarm as the line of fire. One word screwdriver. Install furniture at any time. Convenient and convenient.